Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix display brightness problem on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I have activated my adaptive brightness feature. And let's say that this adaptive brightness feature is not running well. For example, it can't detect the light properly. If it happened on your phone, maybe there's something wrong or there's a problem with the sensors. So we have to fix it, guys. We can go to the setting and we have to go to the device care. Alright, then choose the diagnostics right here, and then there will be some options for you. You have to click on phone diagnostics. Okay, here we can test a function individually by tapping its icon. Then since we want to fix the sensors problem, we can click on the sensors icon. Okay, and just wait for a moment. It's still checking. Alright, and as you can see, guys, that my sensors are normal. But if we're not satisfied with the result, we can run the test again. We can click on this test again option if we want to run the test. And if you don't have this feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone, don't worry, guys, because we can still fix the display brightness problem. If you don't have this feature on your phone, you can just restart your phone. You can just go to your quick setting panel, then you can click on this icon, then click on restart. Alright guys, so that's how we can fix display brightness problem on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.